If you've been struggling with bladder control, pelvic weakness, or just want a stronger core without going through awkward exercises, this device might have already popped up on your feed. The Purivon PelviTone. But is it actually legit or just another overhyped gimmick? Today, I'm breaking it all down in the most honest review. So stick with me till the end. Let's start with what this device actually is. The Purivon PelviTone is designed as a dual function pelvic floor trainer. When you sit on it, it combines gentle therapeutic heat with muscle stimulating pulses to strengthen your pelvic floor. It's mainly marketed towards women dealing with bladder leaks or weak pelvic muscles. But honestly, anyone who wants better pelvic support or core stability can use it. The whole idea is to build strength and confidence without needing invasive treatments or complicated exercises. Now, one of the biggest reasons this device is gaining attention is how easy it is to use. There's no app you need to set up, no special chair required, nothing technical. You literally just place it on any chair or sofa, sit down, choose the intensity level, and let it do the work. It's beginner friendly, especially for people who want a gentle start before increasing to higher stimulation levels. So, does it actually work? Well, this is where things get interesting. The reviews on the official website are glowing, almost too glowing. So I looked at third-party platforms like Trustpilot and other review forums. And honestly, the feedback there is much more balanced and believable. Many users reported real improvements: fewer bladder leaks, fewer nighttime bathroom trips, better sleep quality, and an overall boost in daily confidence. Some even mentioned that they stopped relying on incontinence pads altogether. But of course, like any device, experiences vary. And that brings me to the drawbacks. A few users said their packages arrived without instructions, which can be frustrating if you're using a pelvic device for the first time. Others experienced slow or delayed responses from customer support. And most importantly, results are not guaranteed. Some people notice changes in a few weeks, while others don't feel much difference at all. Your body, your consistency, and your condition all play a role. So, is Purivon PelviTone a scam or legit? Based on everything I've seen, it's legit but not a miracle device. If you want a non-invasive, easy-to-use option for improving pelvic strength, it can absolutely help, but you need realistic expectations. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest breakdowns just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.